Every revolution, nama change nama la ke hai the media khangde citizen khangde like kai club khangde mai bel chin now Manipur awan man purak paisidi akhoi pulak purak kadamina ai khatana ya buna teba. So I think this is my appeal. I think it's a fight between those who want to fight for the dignity and well-being of the state of Manipur and for a principle of diversity and dignified life, and those who want to destroy that one. Manipur tugai ge khanba tugai ge na torok padu thaba uba thawai dana karim ta ngang daba adugi mayok ta ngang o kangmu da sidaba aduga Manipur tugai ge khanba kangbu dudai duda English tam khoi ge surreptitiously mateng pangjan ba group ani gi war ne hai tam Manipur gi izat laina hingna na ba hotna ba kangbu maga madugi mayok ta leiba magi fightness. So there's a kin fight between the two hai tabani.
Jawab ko salam tak jawab.
Hai habiyo.
Koi BJP ki candidate koi ge Honorable Paslu Kumar na photo matungina. India ki parliamentary system se Westminster model chatna ba member ga. Opposition ki MP ota ga di matam yang na phangoi wa ngang wa phangoi kana ro hai wa hom thab si matang se kari.
Mokhoi ki party ki leader Atal Bihari Vajpayee na malai rame ko. And in 1984 ki election matungda massive mandate Congress and Lakuma High gave a government without opposition. Parliamentary system of democracy is a fast train without break. High opposition, let's not assume that Congress and its allied will be in the opposition and the BJP will rule this country again. Assumption is vote loitering either ko. Adu near hiding a ko.
My Pamatung, the hundred city carry
I in a size of Haizagiduni, Manipur, the Akoijam Chatlagai, you campaign to where I am at the way you Chatlagai, Pamung, a Malay, any chan, a Malay, any set never feel lady. I do not have the Tatarama toy, Mayumake Tadu lady, when I am say. Santi lady, a Koikanalu, don't zoom to eat Natra. Normal level Mali will say, oh, the Bakangbu Malay, say, quite call with them. It's in an hour, then Ire Chang, Iran, the Tole, say, so. I get a hand by no Nagado say, Makoi say, is that Lena Mayumak Ida Pazana Mohanjalaga Hanagi Fibumda. Take the Kaidan and Lay never hot never. Madune Egi major effort. A she out regard the Equina Santi lay highway states the Shungaya Roy. I am saying is that my first priority is to ensure that these displaced people go back to their original home and can lead a normal life and dignified life. That will be my effort, because without that we can say that we have normalcy in the state. All of us have a normal life. You can go back, I can go back home, I can have a bed to sleep, I have clothes to wear. But these people do not have it for the last 11 months. We shouldn't forget that. It's a traumatic experience. All of us think that we have a normal life. You guys are taking interview. You have clothes to wear, you can go back home. These people don't have it. And it is a stark reminder to us, as long as they're traumatized, we must feel their trauma. If you don't feel their trauma, then we are not citizens of this land.
Thousands of people were displaced. Did you think that these people will be supporting you as a candidate to represent?
I know, I'm expecting that anybody who loves Manipur will be behind me.